finally finished this book by Cal Newport, Deep Work. So it's about concentrating, about silencing the noise, about not being part of the masses who are distracted, being part of the few who are focused. Because when you're focused, you can do wonders. You can do like times 10. You can do like Bill Gates in a semester founded a whole industry of software. So there's an anecdote here about Bill Gates that he would fall asleep while writing code, because he was so exhausted. But then he'll sleep 1 or 2 hours and then he'll go back to it. And that's how he achieved. He was still concentrated after and everything because he has some a special ability to concentrate, probably, but he's still a human. So if he could do it, you can do it. You can train your mind. You can buy a book like that, Deep Work, and learn how to train your mind to have that hyper focus, that superhero mind. What do you think?